Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar, ZOE, WEES, Don't Give Up. So this is a strong power song there, a little bit odd to cover that on guitar perhaps. I want to be a little bit all over the place and cover different songs that are not your typical guitar songs. So that's why we'll lift this up. Don't give up. Okay, so let's take a look at this one with a capo set on the first fret. So with that, we have 4 different chords. We'll start with the C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Then we have the D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And then we have the final chord, which I will gonna call the DB chord. Depends on how you look at this chord. It could have other names. It could be a B minor or so. But for this song, it's actually a D, but with a B in the bass. So that would be this grip. So that is 2nd on A, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. So there you have the different chords. Before we look at the parts and the chord progressions and all that, we need to learn the strumming pattern. So grab the C, since that is the first chord. So with the C, one strumming round will be down, 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 up. Like this. So down, 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 up. A couple of rounds to get the idea of how it sounds. It goes like this. Alright, and notice I'm playing the first 2 downs on the bass strings. And then the last down, down, up, more on the mid top strings. To get a little color in this strumming. So that is one round, down, 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 up. Now let's take a look into this song here, right? So what we're gonna play is 2 strumming rounds always per chord, just in different order. So for the verse, and also the chorus play, since that is the same chord progression, you're gonna play C, 2 rounds of course, then E minor 2, D2, and the DB2. All right, so like this. So that is how you handle the verse. So the first verse is played with 2 chord progression rounds. All right. And the second verse is also played with 2 chord progression rounds. So nothing changes there. Then comes the pre-chorus. And the pre-chorus has the same kind of playing here, just different order. Now you're going to play E minor 2, C2, D2, and the DB2. So you just switch the 2 chords, the 2 initial chords there. So it goes like this. Alright, so the first pre-chorus is played for 2 chord progression rounds, and the second one is played for only 1 round. Alright, so that's the difference. Otherwise, it's exactly the same. And then the chorus, we have 3 different choruses in this song. All these 4 choruses are played for 4 chord progression rounds. And remember, they're played in the same way, as I said, as the verses. So C, E minor, D, and DB. And then we have a bridge part and about 2 minutes and 10 seconds into the song. So you're gonna play the C, then D, then DB, and E minor. And again, 2 strumming rounds per chord, C, D, DB, and E minor. You play that only for 1 chord progression round. It sounds like this. right, so there you have all the parts you need, the verses, pre-choruses, the choruses that are played in the same with the verses, and also this bridge part. So it's up to you to put it all together, and that is ZOE's Don't Give Up. So thank you for watching, guys. Appreciate your support here, and yeah, keep on coming back here and going on guitar if you like cool new songs here. So till next time, play tuned.